Welcome to my channel Techno Trend Zone. The smartwatch market is abuzz, and for good reason. Garmin is poised to unveil its latest innovation in the premium sports smartwatch category. The Garmin Fenix 8 Pro. Known for pushing boundaries, Garmin's new offering promises to redefine expectations with cutting-edge technology, advanced health monitoring, and a host of features designed to cater to adventurers, fitness enthusiasts, and tech-savvy users alike. From groundbreaking display technology to innovative connectivity options, the Fenix 8 Pro is shaping up to be a game-changer. In this detailed deep dive, we'll explore every aspect of what makes the Garmin Fenix 8 Pro a standout device. Revolutionary display technology. The Garmin Fenix series has long been celebrated for its rugged design and exceptional usability, particularly for outdoor enthusiasts. With the Fenix 8 Pro, Garmin takes a significant leap forward by introducing micro-LED display technology, a move that promises to redefine how users interact with their smartwatch. Why micro-LED is a breakthrough? Superior visuals. Micro-LED technology offers sharper visuals, more vibrant colors, and exceptional brightness. Whether you're trekking under a blazing sun or navigating dimly lit trails, the Fenix 8 Pro ensures unparalleled clarity, eliminating the visibility issues that sometimes plague OLED and LCD screens. Energy efficiency. Unlike traditional display technologies that consume significant battery power, micro-LED is highly energy efficient. This means longer battery life, allowing adventurers to focus on their journeys without constantly worrying about recharging. Enhanced durability. Designed for rugged environments, the micro-LED display is highly durable, resistant to scratches, and capable of withstanding extreme conditions. This makes it an ideal companion for intense activities such as mountain climbing, marathon running, or trekking. By incorporating micro-LED technology, Garmin underscores its commitment to delivering high-performance wearables that thrive in even the harshest conditions. Advanced health monitoring features. Garmin has consistently set the gold standard in health and fitness tracking, and the Fenix 8 Pro raises the bar even higher. At the core of its health suite is the Elevate Gen 6 heart rate sensor, which provides precision and depth in data collection. Key health features. Continuous ECG monitoring. This feature offers real-time insights into cardiovascular health, enabling users to monitor their heart's performance during workouts or daily activities. For athletes and health-conscious users, this is an invaluable tool for assessing overall fitness and identifying potential issues early. Lactate threshold tracking. This advanced metric measures how efficiently your body uses oxygen during exercise, a critical factor for optimizing training and enhancing endurance. Heart rate variability analysis. HRV analysis provides insights into recovery and overall wellness, helping users schedule rest periods and avoid overtraining. Sleep and recovery tracking. The Fenix 8 Pro offers detailed sleep analysis, enabling users to understand their rest patterns and make informed decisions about recovery. This ensures peak physical and mental performance. Whether you're a casual fitness enthusiast or a professional athlete, the Fenix 8 Pro's health monitoring features are tailored to help you achieve your goals. Slimmer yet durable design. The Fenix series is renowned for its rugged durability, and the Fenix 8 Pro continues this tradition. However, it introduces a sleeker, more refined design that enhances both functionality and style. Multiple size options. Available in 47mm and 51mm, the Fenix 8 Pro offers flexibility to suit different wrist sizes and preferences. Lightweight build. Despite its durability, the Fenix 8 Pro boasts a lighter and slimmer profile, ensuring maximum comfort during extended wear. Seamless transition. With its sophisticated aesthetics, the Fenix 8 Pro transitions effortlessly from outdoor adventures to formal occasions, proving that durability and style can coexist. Satellite connectivity. A new frontier. One of the most anticipated features of the Fenix 8 Pro is satellite connectivity, which could revolutionize how adventurers stay connected in remote areas with limited or no cellular service. Enhanced communication. Satellite connectivity enables users to send messages or make calls even in isolated locations, providing peace of mind for solo adventurers or those participating in endurance races. Safety and confidence. This feature ensures that users remain connected and safe, even in the most challenging environments, reinforcing Garmin's commitment to empowering exploration. A legacy of innovation. To appreciate the Fenix 8 Pro fully, it's essential to understand the legacy of the Garmin Fenix series. Fenix 5. Introduced rugged design tailored for outdoor use. Fenix 6 brought solar charging and expanded storage. Fenix 7 added multi-band GNSS support, enhanced mapping, and a built-in flashlight. Fenix 8 focused on improved battery life and performance. The Fenix 8 Pro builds on this legacy, integrating micro-LED displays, advanced health tracking, and potentially satellite connectivity, setting new benchmarks for premium sports smartwatches. Advanced training tools for athletes. Athletes will find the Fenix 8 Pro to be an invaluable training companion. Its suite of advanced tools provides precise data and actionable insights, enabling users to optimize their performance. Real-time metrics. Monitor critical data such as heart rate, pace, and altitude during workouts to fine-tune your performance. Recovery planning. Leverage recovery insights to schedule rest periods effectively and avoid burnout. Adaptive workouts. Personalized training plans adapt to your fitness level, ensuring you consistently progress toward your goals. Release timeline and expectations. Garmin typically adheres to an 18-24-month refresh cycle for the Fenix series. However, the rapid pace of leaks and rumors suggests that the Fenix 8 Pro could launch sooner than expected. This accelerated timeline underscores the device's excitement, as Garmin strives to exceed user expectations with this highly anticipated release. A new benchmark in smartwatches. The Garmin Fenix 8 Pro is more than just a smartwatch. It's a transformative addition to the premium sports smartwatch market. Designed to set new standards for performance and usability, the device offers a combination of revolutionary micro-LED displays, advanced health monitoring tools, innovative satellite connectivity. Whether you're a trailblazer, triathlete, or outdoor enthusiast, the Fenix 8 Pro delivers the precision, durability, and cutting-edge technology needed to achieve your personal best.